Yeastar P-Series Software Edition can now be deployed automatically on Amazon AWS directly from the Yeastar panel portal. It allows you to streamline your deployment process, saving your time and effort, and make it possible to react to your customers' requirements more quickly and efficiently. In this video, we will walk you through the setup. First, the integration is realized based on API integration. So, to do this, we need to establish API integration between the Yeastar panel portal and AWS. Before we get started, ensure that we have everything ready. An active Yeastar panel portal account and an AWS account with permissions to create and manage EC2 instances. You will also need an access key and secret access key from your AWS account for authorization. Log into your AWS Management Console, click your account in the upper right corner, and choose Security Credentials. Under Access Keys, click on Create Access Key. Choose the use case as Other, then click Next to move forward. After this, we can set a description tag here so we can identify this key and proceed to generate the key. Make sure to copy both the access key and secret access key, as the latter will only be displayed once. Download this CSV file for safekeeping. Next, log into the Yeastar panel portal. Once inside, navigate to the Products and Purchase section and select the P-Series Software Edition. Click Install PBX and choose Amazon AWS as your deployment platform. Enter your AWS Access Key ID and Secret Access Key on the authorization page. If you like to reuse these credentials for future deployments, check the box to maintain the authorized connection status. Click Verify to confirm your credentials. Now it is the time to configure your instance. Type a recognizable name for the instance and select your preferred region for deployment. Pick an instance type based on your system's needs, such as the number of extensions and concurrent costs you plan to handle. You can refer to the guidelines provided in the panel portal to help make the right selection. Once everything's set, click Create and Install. The deployment process will begin automatically, and you can monitor the process directly in the panel portal. Once the deployment is complete, you will receive the details for your new PBX instance, including its open your web browser and enter the instance's public IP address. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation and customize your Yeastar P-Series Software Edition according to your needs. And that's it. You've successfully deployed the Yeastar P-Series Software Edition on Amazon AWS. Hope this one helps. If you want to try it out, go get a free trial for P-Series Software Edition from this link. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.